guys. Good evening, guys. We're going to do two strategies. Ash, what an amazing strategy. I just discovered it now. Okay, cool. So this is what is happening here, guys. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a recap for today's draw. Then we're going to do the tea time. So what you do, you add all these numbers. I once demonstrated this strategy, and then we skipped it. We never used it before. Like again. So we say times 87. Remember, 87 is our formula. So if you add 41 plus 49 plus 41 plus 46, then you say times 87. You don't put an equal sign. What you're going to get, you're going to get a code like this: 4133, which is, when I see now, this code gave us almost 3 numbers, actual 4 numbers. Because if you say 43, there's 43 there, and it's easy to track. There's 13, there's 31, there's a 3. Just imagine, just like that. Let's see if we add what we're going to get, but I guess no, let's not add the code. Let's leave the code as it is. So this strategy, it worked 100% today. And then there's this other strategy there's this other strategy of adding these two numbers plus 55. Then it gave us 142. If you check properly, I did mention before earlier on the other video. So we had the 42 as the bonus ball. Then if you add, you get 43, which came there. If you subtract these two numbers, you're going to get a 12, which did not drop. It dropped only in Betway. If you add, you get a 16. But definitely, so on tea time, we must actually try by all means to make sure that we get it correct and right. So now here's the tricky. Once the lunch is out, you do this. You use the previous tea and the current lunch. Then you say times what? 87. That's the first strategy. Then we're going to get a code 117, which means we write down our code 4117. Then we go to this one now. We say 31 plus 43. I hope you guys are watching. Plus 55. Let's go to the calculator and check, because I haven't done this one. Which is 43 plus 31. Okay, so let me go to the calculator and check with you guys. So we're going to say 31 plus 43 plus 55. We're going to get a 129. 129. Okay, cool. So now let's go to the drawing board. Well, once we get to the drawing board, we're going to now put our codes in a sequence, and then we see exactly what we are going to get. So now we're going to the drawing board, because I just wanted to show you how we create those codes. So with these codes, as you can see, this code has worked. I mean code 142. So I'm going to leave it as a side check. Sorry to say that, but I'm going to leave it as a side check. Okay, cool. And then let's put this other code 4117. Then now with the bonuses, guys, don't change anything. These are the bonuses. There's nothing that I'm going to change on the bonuses, because how I predicted these bonuses, I'm 100% sure that they're going to drop both on Betway and UK Fortnite. So this is what we're going to do. We start here with code 129. Code 129. Who was presenting today and who is presenting? Definitely, if it's Tony and Helen, we are fine. I'm going to say 12 plus 9. Actually, before we go there, we take a 19, which is a pending number. I write it down here as a 19. We take a 29. We write it down as 29. We take we say now we now add 1 plus 29 is 30. 1 minus that is 28. Then we say 12 plus 9, that's a 21, which means there is a spin of this number. If we subtract, we're going to get a 3, which has already dropped, so we crush that. We're no longer interested in that as well. Okay, cool. So as you can see, now we're having 19, 29, 30, 28, 21, and 12. Okay, cool. Yeah, actually, guys, I wanted to show you something in the morning. I forgot. Then we move on to the second code, code 142. Code 142 is not yet exhausted, because they did what? They said 1 plus 42, they got a 43. Then which means they brought these two guys. Then now they're going to take the 12 there, which means 12 is our bank actually. 12 or 29 is our bank. I'm going to write down that when I'm done. If you add, it's a 16. 16, which is what? Also a 19. So now we are sure of 12, 29, 19. We're actually sure of that now, of those three numbers. Then we are going to go to our last code, which is 4117. So we are having a 47, 41, 11, 17, and 14, maybe even say 14. So let me just put these ones as the side checks. 1, 14, 11, 17. Okay, cool. So now we're going to choose our bankers. Actually now I think, let me just write down the bankers. Let me say bankers. Bankers, the first banker is what? Is 12. Banker 2, just to be sure. Bankers, then we say 29. Second, the third banker, I'm just gonna give you third banker. Then the third banker should be 19. So which means, guys, you can also play the bankers as 12, 29, 19. You understand? It's also doable. Okay, so we are now fine with the bankers. Let us go and let's go to the, what you call this app, the Dreamwells. I want to show you how it pairs the numbers. It's an example. But then before we go to the Dreamwells, I want to show you another secret on UK49. So this is what you do. You come to this app. Let's just write down these results. It's 3, 6, 13, 25, 31, 43, 42. So this is what you do. You see these numbers, you use them. So this is how you do it. I'm gonna go step by step. You go to this, you strike this lightning, this sign, I mean. Once you strike there, it will open up. We strike the, it has opened up. Then you go to the match at least. You press 3 there, which is here. Then after that, you put those results. You say 3, 13, 25, but you don't put the bonus. 31, 43. And then we skip the bonus. So now look at this. You see the highlights? It automatically shows us the results for too much, which they dropped today. Then now if you go down there, you're gonna see that there is a what? A 3, there's a 25, there's a 31. So you crush all those red numbers. You're not interested in the red numbers, but then you have to take your time. You go down and check. As you can see here, there's it's actually showing us that the 47 is going to come, 47, 45, and the bonus can be 12. You go down again and check. You will find out that there's a 49, there's a 12, but they did split the 12. So now I have an idea of which I have to go back to that 12 and split and say 1, 2. You understand? Then if you go down again, you will see the black numbers are the ones that we, like if you see a number like, for example, 12 is common now. It shows us that there's a high chance of 12 to drop. You go down again and then you see there's a 49. Sorry, there's a 49. There's a 49 there. It's just that my pencil is behaving. There's 49. There's 2 again. We've actually found those numbers before. Then if you go down there, you will see that there's a 29, there's a 46, there's a 20, there's an 18. So this is just going to guide you actually. If you check our code and compare here the numbers that I've called, it was 29, it was what, 19. I nearly hit 5 numbers using this strategy. There was a day that I used this strategy and I nearly crushed 5 numbers. So guys, yeah, this is what it is. You know, you just have to explore. So let me say split, because I don't know who's coming, but you have to split and say 2 over 5 over 1, and split this. Split is going to be 2 over 9, and then I say split again, split. That will give me a 1 over 9. So it's important for us to split in other case. Okay, cool guys. So for those of you interested in joining the group, this is I'm going to leave a link at the first comment of the video. It's important, guys, for you to get the books. You see, the information that I'm showing you here is already there in the book, so it will help you. Like, you know, you will know exactly what you are doing when you're playing these numbers. Thank you very much, guys. Big up. Tomorrow, please. Actually, I do have to do a France video today, and tomorrow I have to give you guys a Make a Million video. Thank you very much for someone who reminded me in the comments. I saw that. Thank you.